If I was in your shoes and starting dropshipping from scratch, this is the exact method I would use from day one. All you need to do is follow these exact steps. The first step is to build a store. The second step is to find a product. Then you have to promote the product in order to drive traffic to your website. But there is something important, and that is execution. Now I will go over each of these processes in detail, including how to build a store, where to find the products to sell, what criteria to use when selecting the products, and how to advertise your products for free to drive sales. So let's get started with creating your Shopify store. What exactly is Shopify? Tobias Toby is a Canadian entrepreneur who was set to start his website to sell products in 2002. Then he ran into a problem. There was no specific software that could be used to sell products online. So he discovered Shopify, which can be used to sell physical and digital products. And today I will discuss only physical products. Now go to shopify.com and join for a free trial by using your email address. You can sign up for Shopify basic plan because you don't need the advanced one at this time. Once you have finished signing up by selecting a country, it will take you to the dashboard where you can manage your orders, add products, and examine your store analytics, which you may have seen on YouTube or in TikTok videos. You may also develop and maintain your customer list as well as give discounts. You can additionally customize the look of your store, which I will discuss later once we add products to it. You can use Shopify Inbox to provide live chat and customer support. And the best part is Shopify offers a variety of apps that you can install to improve your store or to solve various problems you may encounter while customizing your store. For example, if you want to offer products in bundle, which you may notice are frequently purchased together on different websites, you can install an app that will allow you to bundle the products of your choice with other products. If you want to change the price of a collection in bulk, simply install the app and update the prices or even the product description. As a result, these apps are not included in your Shopify basic plan, and these must be purchased separately. We will also provide a quick review of your store settings, which will include your store details, but they must be correct for Shopify records. You can also choose your store currency. In plan section, you will be able to manage your store plan, but you can update later if necessary. The main difference between plan is the merchant fees charged on your transactions and number of employees you can have to manage your store. In billing section, you can attach credit card and pay for Shopify plans and apps. In user and permission, you can add your staff or grant access to anyone to manage your store. Payment sections are used to add payment gateways so that customer can pay for their orders. At the top, you will see Shopify payments, which means Shopify also offers the payment gateway without need to sign up for a merchant account, which is usually required if you go with the banks. If you want to add additional payment methods to your store, you can do so by going into additional payment methods. To receive payments from Shopify, you must link your bank account. You can also view your payout and add manual payment methods such as bank deposit or cash on delivery. Like many countries prefer cash on delivery services. Following that is a checkout section where you can customize your checkout page, such as what information you require from customers while placing order. Whether you require only email or phone number or both. Shop app is also from Shopify, and it allows customers to pay in installments while you as a merchant are paid in full by Shopify. You can also give customers the option to leave a tip. They can pay you a fixed amount or percentage of their order value. Shipping and delivery section, you can specify which countries and locations you want to ship to as well as different shipping rates for each. There is also the option of offering local pickup from your location. In app section, you can add shipping, pricing, and other customization apps to your store. There is a domain section where you can add a new domain or link an existing domain if you have purchased it somewhere else like GoDaddy and name.com. The domains from other providers will be automatically connected. Simply log into your domain provider account and follow the step-by-step instructions. So that's the basic review of your store. Next step is to find products and suppliers, and I will show you how to replicate my own procedure. First, we look into product criteria. Number 1, the product should solve a problem. For example, the metal exercise enclosures for pets can be used as a play area around house or yards. This product is essentially solving a problem that most pet owners face. The second point is the product should be priced accurately in the market. And the third is the product should not be saturated or expensive. So keep these three things in mind as you look for products. We are going to find out how to find such products. You must explore and analyze Amazon, TikTok, and Google. Let me explain how to do so for each of these. Remember that we are only looking for a product at this time. When we find a product, we will look for a supply chain for that product. Simply go to Amazon bestseller section and select a trending niche. Beauty, fitness, home, and outdoor niches may be the best to go into. Examine the best-selling products followed by product reviews. and check the price of same product on Google as well. You can check the prices on various websites such as AliExpress, Zendrop, or other dropshipping websites in your area to see how much margins you can get from it. If the margins on any products exceed 40%, you can go through and get that product. However, make sure to test the product quality by ordering the few samples. I would also like to mention the sponsor of this video, the company which I have been using from many years for my dropshipping business, which is Viral Ecommerce, and you can use these guys' website to order the video of your product and business. You can request video ads, you can request image ads, you can also request animation ads of your products if you want to create animated videos. They also do have a split testing ad package which you can use to test different kind of products. Here are the few examples of different ad packages which they have created for different stores. Here is the Facebook ad package example. You can see different videos which they have created. There are different ad package examples available on their website. You can also order image ad and you can also order thumbnail of your product as well. Now let me show you some of the video ad examples on the screen which they have already created for their customers. I have worked with these guys personally since very start of my business from 2019 to promote my products, and they are very reliable and professional. I have also mentioned the link in description. You can use this link to get 15% off on your orders. You can now use the same process to find the products on TikTok, search for different keywords such as Amazon Finds and Amazon Bestsellers, and filter those products to see what people are saying about them. Many videos will show influencers promoting Amazon products as Amazon affiliate in order to earn commission on sales. So the video with more likes and views may also be oversaturated, but you should check the number of sellers on Amazon as well as Google. You can find the same thing on Google. You can do this by using the Google Trends. So how can Google Trends help you find winners? These trends are based on keywords people are searching for. You can obtain data of any country and keyword. If a specific keyword or product is trending on Google, you can compare prices and reviews on Amazon. Now that you have found a product, the next step is to find a supplier for that product. There are a few websites that will provide you with the best sellers and quickest shipping times to your customer locations. AliExpress is the best, but Zendrop is also a good website to find suppliers. Pocket and AutoDS are also options. You can use AliExpress filter to see where your product will be shipped from, as many suppliers have their own warehouses in different countries and can ship directly from them. I am also aware of some specific questions you may have, such as why customers will buy directly from my store rather than buying from AliExpress or other websites. Customers prefer to buy from local businesses because of payment gateways and shipping time. And if your local business address and phone number are provided on website, customers will prefer to buy from you rather than from overseas businesses. So when choosing the best supplier for your product, make sure to check their store and product reviews. And you can directly email them if you have any questions. So you can negotiate a price with the supplier and ask if they support dropshipping. Almost 95% of them will gladly do so for you. Zendrop and Pocket have US suppliers. You can use these websites to find products you want, and their shipping will be a little faster. If you find a product on Amazon, you can order directly from Amazon to see if the prices and quality are acceptable. However, shipping from Amazon to your customers is not a sustainable model because you can obtain those products at lower cost from other suppliers. Congrats, almost 60 to 70% of your work is done. It's now time to add that product to your store and customize it. Simply go to the Shopify dashboard, navigate to the product section, and then add a product. Make sure you have already customized the product images and description. I did that part on my own and used Canva to resize the images, which is a free tool you can use to edit your product photos. Product I choose is a random choice and I would not advise you to proceed with it. Find the best products, you must conduct your own research, which is a simple and straightforward process. So once the product and description have been added, we will build our storefront. I have installed the Dawn theme to my store, which is a free theme and that is easy to customize. Simply navigate to the customize section to begin designing your website. On the far left side, there are sections you can add to your store. These sections can be sliders, banners, images, collections, or products. On top of that, we have a header to add menu and logo, and if you want a full store design, just comment below and I will make another video. Sliders are used to display offers or promotions. The front page should not be congested with unnecessary elements. This will slow down website navigation and will have an impact on website SEO. Once you have finished designing your storefront page, make sure to add contact information, shipping policies, and FAQs or any questions customers may have about your products. Make sure to include policy pages as well. You can do so by going into Shopify settings. So our store design is nearly complete and the final step is to advertise our website. There are two ways of marketing you can use. The first one is paid marketing and the other one is organic marketing. In this video, I will not discuss about paid marketing. Instead, I will discuss only about organic marketing, which is a way to bring free traffic to your website. So to get started with dropshipping, you will spend only $50 to $100, which is not a lot of money when you consider how much money you can make through it. So there are two ways to get organic traffic to your website. The first is to create content which can take the form of videos, and the second is to use SEO or search engine optimization. TikTok is the best platform to create content and get organic traffic to your website these days. You must create high quality product videos that explain and show your product in greater detail, such as how it works, what pin problem it will solve, and how to use it. As I mentioned earlier in this video, you can use viral e-com ads to get the best videos of your products. Create a TikTok account and begin promoting your products by creating viral content. You should make videos to educate your customers about your products as well as provide them with various offers to encourage them to order more. TikTok also has an affiliate system which requires you to create a TikTok Sales Center account from which you can manage your affiliate commission offers. I will talk about it in another video. Once you have 1,000 followers, you will be able to add your store link to your TikTok account's bio. However, before you reach 1,000 followers, you can put that link in your product videos. You can also use various influencers in your niche to promote your products. TikTok is the most popular platform among all of the others and can help you bring a lot of traffic to your website if you create quality content. To get free Google traffic, focus on keywords and to rank higher in search engines for longer periods of time, write blogs on your website that include the keywords for which you want to rank your website. SEO is a lengthy and complex subject, but in short, you can choose low competition keywords with higher search volume to rank your website higher in search engines. You can also make use of various SEO tools. Among them are Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Keyword Finder. So those are the steps you can take today to start your own Shopify store. It's not easy, you must give your all to succeed. It's possible to achieve good results in a short period of time. I would like to respond to your questions and hear from you as well. Please like the video and leave any questions or suggestions in comments. If you would like me to make a video on any other topic related to e-commerce and making money online, please let me know. That will be highly appreciated. Thank you for joining me. I hope you had a wonderful day.